Quick video on how to raise a support ticket with Hosteasy for help. Open hosteasy.in, click Login, enter your username and password, log into your account. Go to the user menu, click My Tickets. Find options here to create a new ticket, view open tickets, check closed tickets, and more. Click on Create Ticket. In the form that appears, enter your queries and click on Create Ticket. A new ticket will be created. Please note that the standard estimated response time for a ticket is 12 to 24 hours. Once our team replies, you can check the ticket status here and continue the conversation on the same ticket for any related concerns. For any new or different issues, we recommend creating a new ticket.